Lucy, I've kind of hit a wall with typing comments, so I'm going to make a quick little video for you about your Paulson exercises, okay? First of all, this is an APA citation. You need to be using MLA. Paulson's name is spelled with an N, okay? Make sure you're getting people's doing things as precisely and correctly as possible. Same thing right here. It's Paulson with an N, and this is an APA citation that does not belong here, okay? But let's look at the writing. In the workplace, many factors affect people not working at work according to what is that? I don't know what this is. Whatever it is, what it should say is, according to Roland Paulson's article, The Art of Not Working at Work, or something like that, and then you jump into the content. Now here, if this is your citation to denote that you've finished summarizing that part of the article, then all you would need here, according to MLA guidelines, is just Paulson's name. So just Paulson. I think I like the writing here after that as you're unpacking that. That looks good. Technology is changing. One thing I like about what you're doing here is that you open with a topic sentence and then start integrating your source. So that's a good thing. So again, don't do this. You can just say according to Paulson, everywhere we look, this is that. But look, a paraphrase is going to need to run longer than that. You want to include more content from the source. Because I don't know, this seems like something that we could say without using a source. So you want to choose a chunk of the source wisely that offers enough substance that would warrant your paraphrasing and putting it in your own words. Anyway, it's clear that you understand the ideas and that you can integrate the work and discuss it and add to it, but just keep working on summary and paraphrasing. One thing you're doing good is you're putting it in the proper place within the body paragraph. With your direct quotes, capitalize. You would capitalize this properly, little a, spell his name right, comma, and then follow it up with writing as you have. I like that. Man, you spelled his name like 4 different ways. This is an awkward one. A lot of people are struggling with this. According to Paulson, he put it this way: no perceptible movement to reduce. So that's just a weird little fragment. What you have to do is you have to change the writing up in here to make this not read awkwardly. So let me do that for you real quick. According to Paulson, there has been no movement, quote, to reduce workers' hours. And this is not copying the thing properly either. So make sure you're copy pasting those quotes and you get them down there properly. Again, the writing around it is fine. It's just the integration part is what's kind of a mess. A block quote. Oh, there's like a fifth way you've done, isn't it? A block quote needs to be aligned right here, set off on its own. It isn't like it's absorbed within the paragraph. So go to your textbook, look at your sample MLA paper, and you'll find the block quote there. This is missing a letter. Just make sure you're just copy pasting and not typing while you're looking at it. And it's also missing an end quote, so I don't know where the quote ends. I don't know what that is either. Sometimes in the workplace, presentation counts more than productivity does. Here, you need a signal phrase that mentions who actually said this, because it's not Paulson, it's the Corinne Meyer, the French utilities worker. So you need to clarify who said what here, and then this should say QTD period in Paulson. So anyway, I give full credit to everyone for trying. That's not my name either. Capital T, no ER. Pay attention to details. What I would really encourage everyone to do, including you, is to take another look at the model, the models I provide. Here's page 477 of the resource I'm going to attach on your file here. Particularly look at the model writing from Tuck and the samples at the end of the assignment handout, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about with documentation and signal phrases and such.